This is the Rethink Vent shared manifold ventilator engineered by Colby Shepard, William Barrett, Noel Mills, Jacob Scrantz, and Taylor Suber, with our faculty member, Michelle Demers. This project is meant to create a shared ventilator that will allow multiple patients to be simultaneously ventilated. It is also meant to cut costs on ventilation and to be produced in areas where funding is not readily available to hospitals. The most important specification listed here is that the shared manifold ventilator will support 2 patients, and to verify this, 2 test lungs were attached to the ventilator alongside with several sensors. Looking at the proven concept of operation, the shared manifold ventilator can provide ventilation to 2 patients simultaneously and safely with the use of solenoid valves to control the mixture and flow of the air and oxygen. Each patient air pathway is identical and highly controlled by using several sensors. Here are the design overview pictures. The top left shows the original design, the bottom middle shows the electrical components, and the top right shows all of the mechanical components. The electrical subsystem shown below consists of a power distribution board distributing 24 volts throughout the system. For the sensors that require 5 volts, there are buck converters stepping down the voltage. The solenoid valves are controlled by the Arduino using a relay board which can actuate each solenoid independently. Several sensors are used to check the different types of information that are present within the ventilator. Most of the sensors use the I2C communication protocol, so they are wired into a multiplexer to allow for correct communication to the Arduino. The Arduino that controls the solenoid valves has a default program that will keep running in the event of sensor failure or host computer failure. The Labview interface allows the attending nurse to check all the sensor data being monitored for each patient. It also gives the nurse functionality to change the breathing cycle of patients without disrupting the current cycles. Any data that is taken in from the sensors is graphed to show the data in a more user-friendly way. 3 manifolds are used in the system to manage airflow. The air manifold takes air from a shop vac that pressurizes an overflow pressure bag. The oxygen manifold takes air from a tank of pure oxygen that also pressurizes a pressure bag. The air and oxygen manifolds mix right before delivering air to the patient. The exhaust manifold takes the exhaust from both patients and disperses it into the air. In conclusion, the industry supporter's design is validated by this proof of concept. The design can be further improved through more development in the future.